All right, good morning to everyone and my teachers, Puan Hazlin, and me, Yam Chun Hua. For the numeric is 08BFM 22F3002. Okay, today I want to present my research methodology. Is that about research proposal? For my title is Challenges of Implementing Internet of Things IoT Technology for Facility Management. Okay, next. Okay, for the overview, I have 13 items in this slide for about introduction, research background, problem statement, research aim, research question, research objective, research design, digital review, methodology, data analysis, respondents, demographics, profile analysis, practical recommendation, and conclusion. Okay, for the first introduction, the Internet of Things IoT is helping facility management become more efficient by allowing real-time data sharing, automation, and better decision making. It can improve building performance, reduce maintenance costs, and make operational smoother. However, in Malaysia, using IoT in facility management is still challenging. Problems include technical issues like system compatibility and cybersecurity, a lack of skilled workers, resistance to change, and high setup costs. This study aims to explore these challenges and suggest simple, practical solutions and help improve IoT use in facility management, supporting Malaysia's move toward digital transformation under Industry 4.0. Okay, next. Okay, this research background, the use of Internet of Things IoT in facility management is becoming more popular because it helps improve data access, decision making, and daily operation. When combined with other technologies like building information modeling BMI, IoT can help with tasks like predictive maintenance and energy saving. Is from the research paper and the LIM at 2024 and eHub 2024. However, there is still many problems such as high cost, difficult connecting device, and staff who are not ready to use technology. This from Dosumu 2023 and Wakyo 2020. Okay, in Malaysia, this problem is made worse, a lack skilled workers, poor infrastructure, and no clear rules or standards. This from Gamil 2020 and Still 2023. This study looks into this issue and aim to find simple and practical ways to help improve the use of IoT in facility management. Okay, next. Okay, for the problem statement in Malaysia, using Internet of Things in facility management still slow because of many challenges. One big issue is that IoT device often doesn't work well together and are hand to connect to older system. There are also worries about data safety and privacy. The high cost of setting up IoT and the unclear return of investment make it harder, especially for smaller companies. In addition, many organizations lack skilled workers, face resistance to new technology, and don't have clear rules to follow. This problem needs to be solved to help more facilities in Malaysia use IoT effectively. Okay, for next research aim. This research aim to explore the challenges of implementing IoT, implementing Internet of Things IoT technology in facility management in Malaysia. It focuses on identifying the main technical, economic, and organizational barriers that slow down IoT adoption. The goal is to understand how these challenges affect the use of IoT and suggest practical solutions that can help improve its implementation. By doing so, the study hopes to support better efficiency, sustainability, and digital growth in Malaysia facing management sector. Okay, for the next is a research question. Have three. For the one, what are the challenges the implementation of IoT technology in facility management in Malaysia? For the second is what impact do those challenges have an operational efficiency and sustainability in facility management? For the third one is how can these challenges be addressed to enhance the adoption and effectiveness of IoT technology in facility management? This research question. Okay, for the research objective is identify the key challenges faced in implementing IoT technology in facility management. For the second is to assess the impact of these challenges of on the operational efficiency and sustainability of facility management practices. Okay, for the third one is to propose strategy and solution to overcome these challenges and facilitate the efficiency adoption of IoT technology in facility management. Okay, next. Okay, for the research design, this research design follows the research onion model to study the challenges of using IoT in facility management in Malaysia. It uses a programmatic approach, which means it's focused on real-world problem and finding useful solution. The study used deductive method to test idea with data is follow a quantitative strategy by using survey to collect information from facility managers, IoT providers, and policymakers. This research use only one method, quantitative, and collect data at one point in time cross sectional the data then analysis using tools like SPSS and find partner to help suggest improvement. Okay, for the literature review, the literature show that IoT can help facility management by improving efficiency, maintenance, and decision making. When combined other tools like building information modeling BIM is worker even better. However, there's still many problems like high cost, cybersecurity risk, and system they don't work well together. Many organizations also face issues like staff not being ready to use technology and not having skills. Researchers often use theories like DOI, DOE, and RBV to study this problem. In short, for IoT works well in facility management, both technical human challenge need to be solved, especially by looking at local issues like pro infrastructure and unclear rules. Okay, next is the methodology. This study used the quantitative research methodology to examine the challenges of implementing IoT technology in facility management in Malaysia. Data collect through surveys targeting facility manager, IoT provider, and policymaker together the numeric, technical, economy, and organization issue. The research followed the programming process focusing on real-world problem and particular solution. A cross-section time horizon is used, meaning data is correct at a single point in time. The survey research analysis strategy tools such as SPSS to identify partner and trace. Reliability is ensured through pilot testing and use cost alpha, while validator is supported by expert feedback comparison with secondary data from report and literature review. Okay, next is data analysis. This study use quantitative lah, and the answer will arrange in Microsoft Excel using SPSS software. Okay, next. This responder demography, which is gender, age, nation, and wise rule in company and how many years. Okay, this data analysis using SPSS. For objective 1, can calculate mean, median, mode for the three objective lah. And this one is gravity strategy, which is 0.867. For the objective 2 is 0.893. Okay, for objective 3 is 0.926. Okay, for the practical recommendation, based on the finding, the study recommends several practical steps to improve the adoption of IoT technology in facility management. First, organizations should provide specific training to staff to build technical skill to reduce resistance to new technology. Second, the government and companies should consider offering financial support or incentive to ease the burn high initial costs, especially for small and medium-sized enterprise. Third, the development of clear integration standard and regular guidelines is necessary to help aligns IoT system with existing infrastructure, improving network infrastructure and ensuring strong cybersecurity measures are also key to building trust in IoT system. Lastly, raising awareness among top management about the benefits of IoT can help increase support and investment in such a technology, leading to more effective and sustainable facility operation in Malaysia. Okay, for the last one is conclusion. In conclusion, this study found that while IoT can greatly improve facility management by making operations more efficient and sustainable, there are there are still many challenges in using it in Malaysia. These include high cost problems connecting to all systems, cybersecurity, risk, lack of skilled workers, and unclear rules. By looking at survey results, the study identified the biggest problem and how they affect daily operation. It also suggests simple solutions like staffing training, financial support, better rules, and stronger internet system. Solving this issue is important to help more facility in Malaysia successful use IoT. That's mean using IoT in facility management. Okay, that's all this my presentation about challenges of implementing IoT in facility management. Thank you.